Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Wolf, and I'm bringing you some more tech news. So first off today, Asus releases a new Zenbook, their Zenbook 13, and it also offers an OLED screen for a previously unthinkable price of 800 US dollars. So your choice of an Intel or AMD chip to go with the laptop. So the big kicker about this Zenbook is the screen. The OLED screen on this laptop for the price that it's going for the base model, mind you, is that it's kind of unprecedented for that price on a laptop with an OLED screen, because previous laptops with OLED screens have been extremely expensive. So it's a professional thin and light laptop that boasts specs of a 13-inch OLED screen, 1080p. It comes with a 100% DCI P3 color gamut, Intel Core i7 or an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, 16 gigabytes of storage, and 8 gigabytes of RAM for the base model. So guys, if you're looking for a laptop like this, I would consider probably configuring the storage a bit and see if it's within a not too exorbitant price range, and it's good and might be workable if you need something like this. Next, Microsoft, Microsoft will truly finally kill off Internet Explorer in June of 2020. Internet Explorer has been there for an extremely long time. I don't know exactly how old is Internet Explorer, but it was trying to hang on for dear life until Microsoft finally announced that they're going to kill it off. I know you guys, your main purpose for Microsoft uh, Internet Explorer is so you can get onto the internet to download a better web browser. It might be a joke, but we gotta give props where props is due. Okay guys, next, a bit of gaming news. Jeff Keely's Summer Game Fest begins June 10th with a worldwide premiere showcase. So the Summer Game Fest is a game show, not the one that you win prizes, but a place where they display innovations in gaming and also release game trailers. Game trailers that get you hyped for new games that you're probably eyeing or not on your radar, just to get it in front of you to show off what's coming up. Next, Apple's head of software admits Mac has an unprecedented amount of malware. So there you have it. Apple's head of software admits that they have malware problems. So this can finally shut up the people that are saying that Mac doesn't get viruses. Yeah, that's all. I just put it in there for that. It might be petty, but at least we can have a bit of a laugh. Next, Qualcomm announces its new high-tier Snapdragon 778G mobile chip to add to their portfolio of mobile SoCs. So this new high tier chip that Qualcomm is calling it will sit between their flagship 888 processor and the processor that has been used in mid-range phones and other devices, the 765G. I don't know how how it will compare in terms of performance, but they probably see a gap in their market where they could fit this new SoC, and that's why they're going with it. Next, the first desktop with Intel Iris Z discrete GPU, the DG1, goes on sale with CyberPower PC gaming system. These are images of the system. If you could load up so you guys can see it better. Just a bit. I'm downloading something in the background, so that's why it's taking this long to load up an image. The download is taking most of my bandwidth. So yeah, the elusive Intel GPU is finally being made available to us via a system integrator like CyberPower. I'm wondering if it might come to other system integrators in the future, but only time will tell. And this system was listed for a price of $750 US. I'm not going to go into any of the other specs, but you guys can really check that out for yourself, because I'm gonna have links to the stores I cover in the description. Next, GeoA, a memory manufacturer, has announced that it's launching its next generation DDR5 RGB high performance gaming memory. So, Taipei, Taiwan, May 19th, 2021, GeoA Global Emperor International Limited, one of the world's leading performance components manufacturers, have announced they are going to be producing DDR5 modules by Q4 of 2021, with capacities ranging between 16 gigabytes by one stick and 128 gigabytes for 4 sticks, each in 32 gigabytes. Sorry about that. I was, my brain buffering. It's nothing new. So yeah, if you guys are looking to pick up DDR5 RAM, whenever you are getting motherboards that support it and processors that support it, this might be a viable option. And our final news story for the day is Nvidia officially announces their light hash rate RTX 30 series GPU. So this is in an attempt by Nvidia to make these GPUs less attractive. Yes, less attractive to the miners out there. But who's not to say that they just buy these GPUs anyway and mine other cryptocurrencies other than Ethereum, and then trade those cryptocurrencies for Ethereum. That's a way they could go also. So guys, this is the final story of the day, as I said, and we come to the end of our video. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Wolf. I would like it if you like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, anything, especially subscribe, and also share the video. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Wolf. Peace.